So one of the biggest complaints that I get from clients that are men is that they are trying to connect with their partner, they're trying to problem solve, they're trying to be an active part of that life together, but they keep feeling rejected, like their efforts aren't being appreciated, and it's actually creating more distance than closeness. But the problem is they haven't learned how to dial into what's going on inside of them, to self-reflect, and to really step into their assertiveness in a way that they're not being a jerk, but they're also not betraying themselves anymore. Because when you're betraying yourself, everyone around you can feel that you're not in alignment with yourself. I help my clients do this through custom hypnotherapy processes every day, and stepping into your assertiveness in integrity, once you're dialed into what's going on inside of you, really helps create not only more connection, but even more attraction with your spouse. So I'd love to hear what you've tried in the past. Put it in the comments below and let me know if it's worked or it hasn't worked, or what you think about this.